Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubheksha Singh and I hope all of you are doing great. So guys, for my today's video, I decided to do a very important video for all of you people which I haven't done till now on my channel, and this is one of the most requested videos, and a lot of girls have DM'd me on Instagram about what are the brushes that I use or what are the brushes that one should invest in if they are into makeup, or even if they do a little bit of grooming of themselves, like when they're going for a party or when they're going for a wedding. So guys, today's video is going to be brush collection that I have. So I'm going to be showing you guys a few of my very essential brushes that each and every girl should have in their vanity, and what is the purpose of each brush and how you can actually use it. And obviously, if you guys are subscribed to my channel and you watch my videos, you will be seeing all of these brushes in my makeup videos, because these are the brushes that I use on a routinely basis, and it's one of the best and the most finest of all. And I'm going to be showing you a few of them which are essential for you guys, because I have around 40 to 50 brushes and that is not feasible for me to show you all in just a video, because it's going to be very long and lengthy. So guys, without further ado, let's just get down into the video now. These are the few brushes that I have to show you guys. So these are the eye brushes and these are the face brushes. So I'm going to be showing you each one of them individually and telling you guys how well they are performing for me and what are the uses of each brush. So guys, starting off with the eye brushes first of all. Starting off with the first and the foremost brush. So this brush I have, this is the brush that I have guys, and this is a fluffy blending brush and it's from the brand Pack. So guys, this does not have a number because I bought these pack brushes in a set of 25 brushes in total, and I paid around 8,000 rupees for them, and that was a very nice deal for me. It was really a steal deal, because individually these brushes might cost you around 4 to 500 rupees, but in a set of 25 brushes you get all the face brushes and all the eye brushes that you would actually need. Even if you are a professional makeup artist, pack brushes are one of the best brushes that is out there in the market guys, and to invest on these is the best thing that you can do, because I cannot tell you how good the bristles are. I believe all of them are synthetic brushes, but they're just so soft. They are so good to blend your makeup in, and a lot of makeup artists are using the pack brushes to use on their clients. I have seen a blending brush is actually used to blend in your eyeshadow really well. So whatever eyeshadow that you're depositing on your eyes, this brush is gonna blend each and every bit of that eyeshadow, and it's really easy to use this because this has the apt amount of fluffiness, as well as these bristles are so good. And even if you guys keep on washing your brushes, because I wash my brushes around 3 times a week because I use them a lot, and if I have any solid or a cool color on them, I need to actually wash it off. I use this brush, I've dipped in an orange shade, I cannot use it again to just blend in a brown eyeshadow, so I need to wash them. And these are really good guys. It's been almost a year for me to buy these brushes and they are still so intact and in good quality. I will be linking down all the brushes once the quarantine is over, so that you guys can actually buy these brushes, and I would be mentioning the numbers also. I have a brush from Pack again, and this is the smudger brush. So this is a very flat and a very nice dense smudger brush guys. And what is the use of this brush is actually that you can use this brush to just smudge your kajal that you've put on your upper lash line, or you can smudge your lower lash line with this. If you want to smudge your and make it a smoky eye, you can do that. Angular shaped brush. So this is a very flat brush and it's angular in shape. So as you guys can see, this is also from Pack, and all of these brushes will be having a number if you buy them individually, so I will link it down with the number so that it is easy for you guys to find. And guys, the purpose of this brush is majorly to draw your wing eyeliners, or to draw, or to put a kajal evenly, because as you can see, this has this angular shape to it, so it's really easy to make that wing, and you can make it equally on both the eyes and just put the liner really well with this. So every girl should have this brush in their vanity. That brush from Pack again, and the purpose of this brush is basically to pat down any eyeshadow that you have, which is a shimmer shadow, and you can just pat it down really well and just deposit the color in your eyes and then blend it with a blending brush. And I majorly use it to make a cut crease. As you guys can see, it has a little bit of concealer over it, and this is also from Pack. I have this fluffy flat brush, so it's flat as well as little densely fluffy from the top, as you guys can see. And actually, yeah, so this is from Wet n Wild, this brush, and this is a very cheap and drugstore friendly brush, guys. Wet n Wild brushes are really good, and the bristles are really soft. All of these brushes are synthetic brushes because natural hair brushes cost a little too much. So for beginners or for people who are looking for a nice set of brushes and brands, so they should really go for like brands such as Pack or Wet n Wild, or you guys can even buy Pro Arte brush. They are just so good, and I have a lot of Pro Art brushes as well in my vanity, and this brush I majorly use for just blending out my crease line shades and for patting the eyeshadows, because this is very multi-use for me. I would be moving on to my face brushes, and I have 5 essential brushes in total. So the first one is this Pack brush, and this is how it looks, and it is a very dense brush. So these brushes are majorly used to pat down your foundation on the face and just blend it really well. All you need to do is use tapping motions on your whole face, and this really settles down the foundation well on your face. And you can even use this to apply your concealer, but obviously concealers right over here under the inner corner of your eyes will not be easily blended by this brush. So the main purpose of this brush is to put on your foundation really well, and dense brushes are really good for that purpose because it's going to evenly put the foundation on your face. Pack 219 brush, and this is a concealer brush. So as you can see, this has a very small densely brush. This brush is one of my most favorite brushes to just blend in my concealer really well. I use this all the time, and this actually solves the purpose for me. If I'm going on a trip or something, all I need to do is carry my concealer brush with me, because this is going to blend all my concealer in, and this I have used to even blend my foundation, and it just does the job so well because it's so small and it's dense. It just goes under the inner eye area as well, and I can just pat down the concealer really well with this, and this will just cost you around 400 to 500 rupees. I have this brush, which is a tapered kind of brush, and it's tapered from the top. This is also from Pack, and this is a powder brush. So you girls must have seen a lot of makeup brushes which are for the purpose of powdering your face, which are really fluffy and big. So I do not like all of those brushes because my face is a combination skin type, and I have a lot of dry patches on my face except my T-zone. So I like a very nice tapered powder brush like this, because I can just target the areas where I just want to apply the powder. Because if I have a fluffy brush, even if I try to put it under my eyes, it will come on my cheeks and make it drier. So if I want a dewy finish look, that won't be possible with a powdered brush, which is really big and fluffy from the top. So this actually just goes in on the exact areas I want to apply my powder on my nose, on my forehead, just little bit of areas where I feel the sebum is going to be produced, and I can just make it a little matte and make my makeup sustain for a little longer time. And on the areas where I feel that I need to apply my powder, it's really easy to do that with this, and I would really suggest you girls to go for a brush like this if you are a dry skin type or a combination skin type girl. Otherwise, the big fluffy brushes are also good. There are a lot of people who like that more than these, but I really like to use this Sheen brush, and this has this marble kind of print on it on the handle, and this is how fluffy it is. So I majorly use the Sheen brush to apply my blush, and this is one of my favorite brushes to apply my brush, guys. And I need to tell you guys, because a lot of girls are very skeptical upon buying any brushes from Shein, but the quality is really good, guys. It's been more than 2 years for me that I've been using these brushes, and you can see the bristles are not even coming out or poking out, and the brush is really soft and it's so good. I have been washing these so much, I wash this so frequently, and still the bristles don't come out. And it's really good to apply your blush, because you obviously need a very nice fluffy brush for applying your blush properly and evenly on all the areas. This Pro Arte PF07 brush, guys, and this is how it looks. So this is little flat from the inner corners, and as you go over the top, it's very fluffy. So I use this just for contouring and bronzing my face, guys. It's the best brush I have for contouring my face. So I really like to just put the bronzer and the contour and just blend it like so. And I've even showed that in my tutorial for how to contour your face. So if you guys want to check that out, I will be linking that below in the description box. If you don't have the right kind of brushes, you might not be able to achieve the right look, even if all your techniques are really good and you know that you're applying the product really nicely and in the apt amount. But if the brushes are not good, your makeup will not come out good. So you really need to invest in a good brush, and I believe this video is going to help a lot of girls out there and a lot of people who are into makeup and who just want to have 4-5 brushes so that they are just done with the job, which is why I really wanted to make this video for you guys. So guys, with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and please follow me on my Instagram as well, guys. My Instagram handle is Shubheksha Singh, and I will be linking that in the description box as well. Till then, guys, be positive, keep sharing love. Bye guys, be safe.